Hello everyone, it's Sander. Today I'm bringing you a roundup of some fascinating videos I have watched recently. We are diving into AI, business, health, and science. So whether you are into cutting edge technology or just looking for ways to improve your focus and learning, there is something here for you. Let's jump right in. Technology and AI. Number 1. Chinese AI app DeepSeek shakes tech industry, wiping $500 billion of Nvidia. 20 minutes 24 seconds by the DW News. A new AI chatbot, DeepSeek, has taken the world by storm, disrupting the tech industry and sending Nvidia's stock plummeting. Even Donald Trump has called it a wake-up call for America's tech giants. This video explores why DeepSeek is such a game changer and how it could reshape the AI landscape. Number 2. Why DeepSeek causing such a stir? 1 minute 21 seconds by the DW Business. In just over a minute, this video breaks down why DeepSeek is making headlines. The Chinese startup is challenging US dominance in AI, offering a cheaper and competitive alternative that could change the global AI market. Number 3. Apple Intelligence. So far, were promises kept? 7 minutes 29 seconds. The Verge. Apple Intelligence has been rolling out over the past 3 months, but it is living up to expectations. This video examines what Apple promised versus what's actually being delivered. If you are wondering whether Apple's AI efforts are worth the hype, this one is for you. And on this one, I would like to add, I have an iPhone 16 Pro model, and I thought that this was going to be a game changer, not only because of the cost, mostly because of the technology, what it was promised and what it was shown on what would have delivered. However, after using it since last year, I have to say that I am a bit disappointed. I am disappointed because the only thing that I have noticed is that there is a slightly improved in Siri understanding what I'm saying when I'm saying it, even when I call it. So the responses, for example, when I ask it to play certain song, especially in Spanish, I have to say that it's much better. However, when I ask normal questions, very average questions, or very simple questions, the answers that I get are not the same as if I perform the search myself, or they are not as good as someone would expect it to be. So disappointed on this side. Number 4, Microsoft SharePoint Tutorial 2025, 28 minutes 56 seconds by Kevin Straver. If you use SharePoint, this tutorial is a must watch. It covers everything from basic navigation to a little bit advanced features, helping you get the most out of the platform. Number 5, Reskilling for the Intelligent Age, World Economic Forum. AI and digital transformation are changing the workforce, but there is a huge skills gap. This session from the World Economic Forum discusses what businesses and workers need to do to stay ahead in the evolving job market. Number 6, Introduction to Operator and Agents by OpenAI. OpenAI introduces its new tool in 23 minutes and 51 seconds, Operator, designed to enhance AI automation. This video walks through its features, capabilities, and how it could shape the future of AI-driven workflows. Number 7, how to pay attention and learn quickly. Dr. Andrew Huberman, 10 minutes, 6 seconds, Huberman Lab Clips. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman shares techniques to improve focus and learning speed. If you want to sharpen your cognitive skills, this is packed with actionable advice. Number 8, how to change your brain and improve learning. 10 minutes, 6 seconds by Huberman Lab Clips. Another insightful video from Dr. Huberman where he debunks myths about neuroplasticity and shares practical ways to enhance brain function. Number 9, how to improve dopamine to feel motivation. 8 minutes, 4 seconds, Huberman Lab Clips. Feeling unmotivated? This video explains how dopamine influences motivation and what you can do to optimize it for peak performance. Number 10, what actually causes high cholesterol. 6 minutes, 48 seconds by TED-EdWhat. What's the difference between LDL and HDL cholesterol? This TED-EdWhat video breaks down how cholesterol works in your body and what actually contributes to high levels. And number 11, what are those colors you see when you rub your eyes? 5 minutes, 22 seconds by TED-EdWhat as well. Ever wonder why you see colorful patterns when you press on your eyes? This video explains the science behind after images and optical illusions. All right, and that's a wrap. We cover a lot. AI breakthroughs, Apple's latest tech, improving focus and motivation, and even some cool science facts. If any of these topics interest you, check out the full videos for more details. Let me know in the comment which one intrigued you the most. Remember to like, share, and subscribe with friends and family for more summaries like this. See you in the next one.